Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to create a Lumosity account. First of all, open your search engine, either it was the Google Chrome or Mozilla or Opera or whatever was your search engine, and search for Lumosity. After that, we will click on the lumosity.com website. Then after we click, here we will find a button that is called Get Started. Either it will be in the middle of your page or on the corner here on the right. After clicking on Get Started, here we will find all the methods for sign up. Either you are going to sign up with your email, or you can just sign up with Google Chrome, with a Google account, or Facebook, or even your Apple identity. I will choose this one. Let's just have an email here. Will be uh, or I will just sign up with Google account. After clicking here, after entering your information, all we have is to click on sign up. Then here we will find some other some additional information that we have to add. You can just do whatever was your or you can even not enter in this data. Then click on next, and you will have just some questions to have to generate your training program. Let's just do it like that and do whatever was your choice. And I will generate my program. And here you have your account that is created, and here this is your profile picture and your profile window. You can't access it from here. So those are the steps to create your Lumosity application or your Lumosity account. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.